Welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last session, we have covered how you can use Power Pivot. And if you haven't watched that video, the link has been given above. You can simply check out that video. And in this video, as you have already seen the YouTube thumbnail, we are talking about XLOOKUP with arrays. So how you can use arrays. For an example, if you want a multiple values in a one column, how you can do that. But before to do, if you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload the video, you will get a notification. Without any delay, let's jump into the topic. So now as you can see here in this, we do have this table, and what we want is we want all these values from this data, and in this data we do have this values here, and we would like to get a result from the profit, that what is the profit of all these values as a column. So now if we will go to the segment once again, and here what I'll do is I'll take XLOOKUP and I'll select this entire section of column, and then I'll go to this data sheet, and in this data sheet I have to tell XLOOKUP where is my reference. So this is my reference, and it ask where from where you want to answer. So simply we will select this profit column and then comma, and if this formula will not find anything, then what would be your answer? So it would be blank and then exact match. Okay, so once you will press enter, you will get all this profits. So as you can see here, these are the values. So from here what you can do is go and you can add the values. Let's say I'll add this one. So now this is my values which is reflecting now. So I hope you understand how you can use this arrays, and one simple task for you, how you can use this function with this all a reference to get the values. For example, if I want the values from this month and I want a gross sale, then how you can fetch this values with this XLOOKUP formula by using arrays. So I hope you understood how you can use the XLOOKUP, but still if you have any doubt, any queries, you can write on the comment section or you can reach out on our official mail ID. So for this video, this is all. Stay tuned with the Byte Boost till the next video. Take care. Bye bye.